Hello everybody, uh, my name is Prem Sagar. I am the Park US Alumni Network member, and I have recently won a grant which focuses on the awareness on the girls' equity. And particular area what I want to focus in the girls' equity is the menstrual hygiene practices for adolescents. So generally in our society, in rural areas of Pakistan, we do not generally provide the safe environment for girls to talk about the problems they come across during their menstrual cycle, especially when they are menstruating first time. And there is a lot of stigma associated with this topic. And this is a role of men and boys in the society to create a conducive environment starting from their home, so that their sisters, their daughters, their wife can talk about this, and this is so normal, this is so natural, but we have made this as a taboo topic so that nobody gonna talk about this. And girls, especially in their first few cycles of menstruation, they face a lot of problems. They face medical problems, they face social problems, and they also face some sort of stigma. And there are also many myths associated with this. For example, girls can't take bath during menstruation, girls can't exercise during menstruation, so things like that. So we need to create an environment where they feel safe and where they feel empowered, and we should provide the emotional support. There's a lot of role of schools to create the awareness around the sexual and reproductive health when it comes to address such sort of issues. Since we are very close to the sustainable development goals, and SDG 5 is all about the gender equality, so I strongly advocate for addressing this particular issue and provide safe and conducive environment to the adolescent girls so that they can grow and they can have their life fulfilled, and they should not be worried about these particular area, which is just a normal cycle in every woman's life. Thank you very much.